Okay, so I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to ChatGPT. So um let's go back a minute. Yeah, so just hit on customize, then go to connect app. So you see Canva over there. I think I've connected it already, so I'm just gonna do the reconnection again. Okay, so when you click on that, it will bring you to this page where you allow. So you select a team that you want. Okay, I have selected my team already. So these are the things that Claude can do whilst it's connected to Canva. So just go through them and hit allow. So yeah, we have the authorization message as well. Now we have our we have connected our Claude and Canva. So what we are going to do is to give it any prompt. Okay, when you give it the prompt, Claude will automatically call Canva to generate this. So as you can see, we have a couple of options over here. Just select the one that's catch your attention, and you can edit it from there. So you can see open in Canva. So just click on that to open your design in Canva. So our design has been created in Canva. Now we can edit it, change the text, the fonts, even the images. Yeah, so let's see what we can do. Yeah, so everything here it's a layer, so that means you can change them. You can change the image as well. So this is one simple way to connect Claude and Canva. If you like this, subscribe for more.